Smoky Mountain Renos, and I'm back in Jefferson City here at the Vance Project. It's been a number of weeks since this whole project started up, but Keith, the owner, has done a tremendous job. I believe he has everything totally finished up, and I got some really exciting news for you as well. But before we get into that, let's go inside and let's take a look. Inside, let's take a look around. Everything has been fully and completely refurbished. Take a look at these fantastic timber floors, all sanded back down, all totally refinished and stained, brought up just like they've been brand new. All the walls have been fully repainted, all new screens on the windows, new locks, new windows, new doors, new carpeting in all the bedrooms. Bathrooms completely redone. New shower heads, new vanity cabinets. Keith, you did a fantastic, fantastic job. Not to mention the kitchen with all new appliances. We got lights that actually come on as you walk by. Everything in this house is basically set up like it's brand new from day one. And here's the exciting part. Before we even finished this project, we found a buyer. So Keith has sold the house before we actually listed it on the market. Just through the video that you're watching right now and the excitement that it actually caused for people looking at it to see, wow, this house is going to be fantastic. So there's a lot to be said for getting out there, do your refurbishment, make it all look good, and you might get lucky just like Keith did and find yourself a buyer before the project even gets done. I'm Bable, Smoky Mountain Rentals, and I'll catch you on the next project.